Hi everyone, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, you are going to help me pack my makeup bag. I'm getting ready to go on a work trip next week. I'll be gone for 5 days. And I always struggle with this because I take way too much stuff with the whole mentality of just in case, what if I need it? And I need to get out of that. And my other issue is I love small things. I love travel size things. It's just, I don't know what it is. Anybody else like that? So let's take a look at my makeup bag. What's in it? What can I take out? And see if we can consolidate things just a bit. All right, so here is my travel makeup bag, and it is by Tartan and Twine. And I really don't remember where I've got it, I'm sorry to say, because I've had it for some time, and I do really like it. It is bursting at the seams because I'm ridiculous and I still cannot condense. I'm the queen of what if I need something, what if I need something? So I really like the bag, and there are a few things I'm going to take out, but let me just show you kind of how my mind operates, which is not the best. But the only thing I don't like about this bag is that the zipper is all the way over on the side. I wish there was a middle zipper that opened because everything kind of wants to fall out. I would like to be able to just pop something open without the whole thing sliding open. There's a bigger section that I put my makeup and the smaller one with the brushes. You can see already I've got just an assortment, and I need to put things in where I can, and I have more brushes than I have room for, so I just kind of lay those in there because I also have this little side pocket. I'm the queen of small things. I just love small things. But this one has this little side pocket, as you can see, has the smallest of the small brushes that I get for things like the Bare Minerals, like the travel size things. So I keep them in case they're handy. Here's one of those favorite heal and conceal brushes I have for Bare Minerals. I just posted a video about this actually, so I have one everywhere. So I like to keep an assortment. These aren't my regular brushes, but I feel like I have backups and enough to get by. And I keep tweezers in here. Actually, yeah, my tweezers fell out. That kind of thing in here. So you can see I have more than I need, and I should probably at some point get rid of any brush I never use, but I just can't seem to part with it. But that's what's in there on the brush side. And so let me zip this up, and I may end up, once I go through with you all the makeup that I'm taking, I may actually clean out the brushes based on the makeup I choose. So let me just dump this out because it is a mess. And let me get serious with, okay, I'm gonna move the camera slightly. It is pouring down rain outside. I don't know if you can hear that. So, all right, let me start with what I know I'm absolutely taking, which are, I will take a couple of lip balms. And so for this, I have this one that I got. I think I read it, a review or something somewhere. It is nice stuff. I've used almost all of it. So just going to get the last remains out of it. I usually save this for nighttime, put this on at night. Q Body Intense by Q-Tica, I guess. I don't know, but it was really nice. So until it's used up, I'll take this with me. And then I also have this as sort of a backup. And this is where I get ridiculous because I think, what if I run out? What if I run out? And then my bag gets overstuffed. But anyway, this is my backup. I don't like it quite as much, but it's the Shea Moisture, Shea Butter Vegan Lip Balm. And you know, it's okay. So, but I'll use it especially once this one's gone. So maybe I just get by with this. This is what I have to come to grips with. Okay, primers. Well, one thing I'll say, I take a couple of varieties of foundation because I like to switch things up daily. So I know that's why my bag gets overstuffed. So to that point, I'm going to be taking a mineral foundation and a regular foundation. And so as such, I will have two kinds of primers. I am going to take this as my regular primer. It's the LA Colors Smoothing Face Primer. I got this at the Dollar Tree, and it's perfect size for travel. It's 0.39 ounces. So I'll take this as my regular primer. The other thing I do sometimes is, I saw this on another video, is put things in a contact lens case and take it with you. It's just not nearly as cute. as little packages. I don't know, are you with me? I love little things. But this time I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm saving this one for foundation. But then I also have a Bare Minerals primer, and I have this Pure Minerals correcting primer. I probably only need to take one. So I'll decide which one I'm going to take. But that's why that's there. And then you'll see why with my foundation. Oops, sorry, I just bumped the camera. I got this set of Pure Minerals items marked down, and it included the primer, that Pure Minerals primer, and then their 4-in-1 pressed mineral makeup in light. And then I guess this is what, a mineral glow, kind of a bronzer thing. And then what else came in that set? Oh, a mascara, which is somewhere here, this mascara. So I think I'm going to take all this. What I think I'm going to do, because I also have, gosh, I'm sorry, I keep hitting them. I have some Bare Minerals. I have a bronzer and a foundation. I don't have a travel foundation of Bare Minerals right now. So but I know I like Bare Minerals, so it's like a no-brainer. So what I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to try these on before I take them, just to make sure that I like them okay. And if I like this okay, I might make this my travel powder foundation and eliminate these two. See what I've done there? And I would eliminate that primer. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is going to be for trial tomorrow. And then the other foundation that I have is this Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free and Balance. It's a stick foundation. It's one of these. So great for travel because there's no mess. So I'm actually wearing it today. I've used it before, but I just kind of wanted to see how it wore and everything. But gosh, it's handy for travel because there's no mess, no nothing. I'm not sure I like it as much as the regular Fit Me, but in a pinch. And I just want to make sure. I'm going to be in an office for long days where I go to work all day in the morning, all day, and then I'll probably go to dinners and then even, happy hours, thing like that. So I need stuff that's going to last. So I'm kind of doing a test run just to remind myself how well this works. Is it worth taking? So I'm doing a test run with this one today. And then the other one I put in little contact containers is my double wear because I know that lasts. So, I really got it in there. So I poured some in there. Actually, I think it's on the other side. But this was a great little tip from somebody if you want to take different foundations for a short trip. I'm going to be gone for like 5 days. So I put some in there. So what I plan to do is take the double wear and probably this, assuming it works okay, and then one of my powder foundations, not both. So that's the plan there. And then as far as a bronzer goes, I'm only taking, I guess this is kind of a bronzer, but the other thing I'm going to take is this that came in a little gift set I got after Christmas at Walgreens, and it's LA Colors, and it has a highlight, a contour, and a blush, and it's really pretty thin and small, so I thought that was handy. I've never used it, but I'm just going to go for it because of the packaging. It's good for my purpose here. And then the other thing I'm taking as far as blush goes is actually a whole little set by Tarte. I've had this for a while. It's called Double Duty Beauty Happy Girls Shine Brighter. And in here, you can see how well worn it is. There is a blush and then an eyeshadow set. And the eyeshadows are, the neutral browns with a dark color to line, highlighter, all that. They're mostly kind of shimmery. So I'm also going to throw in this other Wet n Wild that I just got at the dollar store, the Dollar Tree the other day. That has a little pink, kind of a more matte brown and a highlight. So these are the eye shadows that I'm going to work with for the week. It'll be fine. And this one has a blush that I do like, but it is shimmer. Everything in this is kind of shimmery. So this one is less shimmery. So between the two, I'll be able to work it out. So that's my eyes. And as far as powders go, I got this Bye Bye Pores. It was a little gift set from, isn't this It Cosmetics? Yeah, It Cosmetics. It's like a travel thing, so it's really kind of dinky. But I'm going to use this as a powder for myself since it's so small. I hope I like it okay, but it's very compact and small. And I have a little bit of this left. It's a Master Fix Maybelline loose powder. I need this, I think, to help me with if I have fallout under my eyes to help brush it away. So I will use this. I'm going to take a smaller beauty blender just because it's small. Oh, one other small thing I have that I'll probably put in there is a small thing of Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue. It's a tinted hydrating gel cream. This can kind of work as a primer too. The shade is Vanilla 02, but I think regardless, I'll probably take that. I just threw in a new sharpener because I think I need it, look at my little eyeliners. I've had 2 backup eyeliners in here, but they're worn out. This is a Physicians Formula Shimmer Strips one, and then this is a black one, Maybelline. But again, I think I'm going to set these aside because I have these little, where are they? Pixie, oh, that's lip. Hang on. These 3 little Pixie eyeliners. This is that light one. I don't know what you do with this eye pencil, but it's a nude. I guess you just put it on the waterline. But they have a brown one, Endless Silky Eye Pen, and it's this one's in Copper Glow, and this one is black. So they're small, compact, but I do need a sharpener for them. But I think I'm going to take them and take these out. See, I do the mistake of putting it all in there, and I don't need it all at one time. So I'm going to take these out, put these in. I guess I'll put the nude one in there too. And then I do have, as I mentioned for mascara, I have the Pure Minerals one, and I also have a Clinique travel size mascara, so I think I'll use that up. And I just realized I had one other Bare Minerals item. Oh, the concealer. So, gosh, I may actually take this even if I do the Pure Minerals because this is specifically a concealer. And I have that Heal and Conceal brush, so this might be perfect for that. So I think I'll use that. And then as far as, oh, speaking of concealers, I didn't really go over that. So I have these 2 things I do keep in my travel bag. They're by that Alba Botanical. This is a fast fix for puffy eyes. It's just one of those cooling gels, so I like to keep that handy. And this one is for under eye circles. It's called a Vanishing Concealer. It's just very yellow, and it actually does a good job at concealing the under eye, and I feel like I almost could get away with that and no other concealer, but it's pretty, I don't know if you can tell, it's pretty yellow, but I'll keep that because that's handy. I just feel like I say everything's handy. I have a little teeny travel perfume. So this one is Idle by Lancome. I'm sure it came as a freebie when I ordered something, so we'll keep that. And then a couple other concealers that I have in my bag are, of course, my favorite CoverGirl, as I mentioned in a video that I posted today, the Neutralizer Stick. I use this all the time to actually conceal, blemishes and other imperfections. Just dab it on with my finger. And because I have so many concealers, I threw this one in. It's the number 7 Radiant Glow Concealer in case I feel like I need something else maybe under my eyes. But again, I just realized I have a Tarte mini Shape Tape. So I think I'm going to take this one out and leave this one in. Look at me go. Okay, so that is going to be it for the concealers. A few other things I have, and I have a lot of lip products. Let me just move things away because, again, I like to collect the little travel size. And so I've got a few glosses. This is a combo thing. 2 lip pencils, Burt's Bees. Okay, so what I have here are all my lip products. Oops. And so I have 3 different glosses. I have this one that is from, I think it's actually Juicy Couture. I think it's a pink color. This one is a Clinique. It's just a very sheer color. And then I have another, this is actually a Clinique. This is a lipstick. So what I'm going to do, this is another Tarte that's a combo with the gloss in one end and like a lip color in the other. I have 2 mini lip pencils from Beauty Benefits Hollywood. I don't know, but they're smaller, kind of neutrally warm tones. So I'll keep those. I won't necessarily take all of these, but I can't decide just yet what shades I'm going to take, but aren't they just all so cute? I love little lipsticks. Once I figure out my wardrobe, I'll probably narrow down a little bit, unless there's plenty of room for all of these items, and then I'll take them. But I'll probably definitely take the pencils and the Burt's Bees and then figure out which gloss, which lipsticks that I'm going to take. And lastly, I've got an LA Color setting spray, travel size, perfect for travel. It's like, how big is this? Well, I don't know. But anyway, it's definitely travel size. So I'll throw this in my bag too. So that's it. So let me just see if this makes more room now. So I'm going to put things back in, and because if I like to have a lot of lip color options personally, because I can never make up my mind. Maybe I should just take a few and limit myself right out of the gate, but I have pulled a few items out already, so this might be already better. Let's just see how this goes. All right. It's actually much better than it was to begin with. I don't know if you can see that. So I don't have my lip products in there, but even if I did, let's see what it's like. Oops. Okay. Actually think that's not too bad. So that is my travel makeup bag. I got rid of these things. I'm not getting rid of, but I will put them, just set them aside because I'm not going to take them on this trip. So see, I've got the makeup bag all packed. All right, well, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, everybody.